SodaStream Jet Sparkling Water Maker Starter Kit. The Jet is a basic yet wildly popular SodaStream model. Its simple design makes it cost-effective and a good entry-level machine for first-time soda makers. The SodaStream Jet is compact, lightweight, and gives you the versatility to set it up on the countertop or take it with you on the go. Setting up the Jet is straightforward enough, but does require a bit more technique than some of the other models. Specifically, it's missing an auto-locking feature for the carbonating bottle, which most newer options have. Once it's set up, in order to create sparkling water, all that's required is manually pressing a single button to your desired carbonation level. The buzz sound, which is somewhat outdated since the creation of newer SodaStreams that produce a poof sound, is similar to the crystal model and will let you know that it's working. And because it's effectively a manually operated sparkling water maker, it does not require electricity or batteries, which means it's also an eco-friendly choice compared to the electricity-supplied SodaStream Power, for example. The full kit comes with the same useful components as most of the other top options, as it includes the maker, a mini CO2 carbonator, a reusable 1-liter carbonating bottle, as well as a rebate for the larger 60-liter CO2 carbonator. Please note, there was a SodaStream Fountain Jet once on the market, which is unavailable in this current year.